welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jenny, again, and I have something cool to share with you today. And today we're gonna go over the Think Dirty app, which is an app that lets you know the clean beauty, clean skincare that you could find the products to search from. Now I'm going to go over as a UX, aka user experience expert, but also as a skin loving consumer. So have a look and let's jump right in. All right, so let's open the app. When you open the Think Dirty app, you'll see the cute onboarding screen, and on the bottom you'll see the navigation with home button. I believe this is history, scanning a barcode, and I guess this is product list, and then I don't know what this is, so let's explore. So let's go with the home button. Okay, so that's the screen as is. This is right, so it's history as suspected, and I don't have history in here because I just downloaded the app. So you could do it, continue with Apple, and let's see the other options. And you could sign up with your email or Facebook, or simply sign in if you already have an account. I'm gonna hit back. So then when you scan, you have to allow the access to camera, and then when you scan it, it'll give you a barcode. So just for the sake of trying, let's try something. Okay, for the scanning purpose, we have this product, Derma E, which is a hydrating cleanser that's foamy. I love this product. Let's see if it scans well. Oh, yep, that took 2 seconds. And look, voila, got us the perfect product that we need. And you could do free trial, tracking allergens. Oh, okay, here we go. So we could see that it's clean. Wow, it has really good points of being clean product, half and half. What is ingredient list? Okay, so even this is locked, but you could see here all the product ingredients. And okay, so depending on how clean the product is, it will show you the products, and it will show you like all the products and all the ingredients that's clean in green, and then the non-clean product will be in red, and then so will be in yellow. So this product is quite clean. It has number of 8, and cool. Think Dirty also has their own advice, and it will tell you all the things. And then there's other alternative products that you might want to consider. So this is a really good app to carry around when you are shopping for products in person. Okay, so now that we did the barcode, we're going to look into the list. Okay, so you could also, like, you have to link again, and you could do that. And then, oh, all right, it seems like the app does not let me do anything unless I sign in. So I'm going to sign in with another account, sign up with email. Okay, so I'm gonna fill my information. And back to screen, here we are with all the information that needs to be done. And then I'm gonna just press agree to join. Ooh, and then it's, yeah, I'm gonna say password. So now let's see, now it's on me right here. My bathroom shelf is empty because I haven't gotten anything yet, but not to worry, I'm gonna get something. But first, let's try to look into the app first. In the middle, it has a trending now, horizontally scrollable feature with a bunch of whole trends going on. And then the one below, ooh, the one below is Black Owned Clean Beauty. As everyone knows, February is the Black History Month, so they are honoring by putting Black Owned Clean Beauty, which is amazing. Whole bunch of brands over here. And then you could also have exclusive offers, which provides really amazing offers over here. And then I guess these are the selling fast ones that are really amazing to look through. There is both horizontal and vertical scrolling features, which is an amazing way to get through the app, but it's also at 2022, 2021 standard. Oh, I love that. There's like categories for 28 days of loving yourself. So this is probably because February is, 28 days in a month. That is really cool. All right, let's click on something to see what it will give us. So let's go for Alchemist, Grown Alchemist, trending now. I'm gonna click on that. So when you see that, oh, so when you click, they'll give you a promo code that you could buy directly, which is really cool. And Alchemist products are really awesome, and then they tell you all the cleanness. This is really cool. So let's see what happens if we click shop. Oh, and it goes directly to the website. That is amazing. Open in Safari or the back feature. And we're gonna try to do the back. Cool. All right, so we're back to the screen. As you can see, I wanted to share this section, which is like each product has like a shop feature and then ingredient alerts, if that's obviously a no-no, but it's only for premium accounts, so just FYI. It's not that nice to just block it off, I guess, but it's also like hearts. I guess this is for the features, and you could also share. What's plus? Okay, you could make a list. That is cool. I wish there was a different logo for the plus sign because it could be confusing. Let's see this one. What is this? Oh, and then you could add your own review. So that is really cool. So definitely this app is super cool for you to check it out. If you are a skincare enthusiast that's into clean beauty and care about clean beauty a lot, just like myself. Think Dirty app was super cool to review, and today is a day where I'm starting to review based on rating system. All right, so as a UX expert and as a skincare lover, I am going to rate this system. So first off, user flow, which is how to navigate through the app. Was it easy? I would say 4 out of 5, mainly because some of the icons were misleading, or it wasn't as intuitive as I would have liked or would have made. So it was 4 out of 5. But other than that, everything else was so cool. It was easy to do things, and that was really cool part of the app. Now, favorite part of the app was when you scan it, you could see super easy color code of the traffic color system, which is the green, yellow, and red colors, telling you all the really clean ingredients and the so-so ingredients and the toxic ingredients. And that really gets me to see at the first sight if this is a really clean ingredients for me that I would like to use. So that was really cool. The least favorite part of the app was that a lot of the features were locked. Okay, I know that it is for, profit purposes, but I feel that if you're looking for skin beauty, then somewhat information should be a little more open than what's the premium's offering. So I wish there was a little more different tiers or at least a free trial. Now, my wish list. If I had to wish, I think the wish is the free trial. I want to see what the app is like as a premium member. So that's my review. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope that this video gives you the insight of Think Dirty app, and I hope that you get to use it and try it. And if you have any questions or comments, comment below. And also, if this video really helped you today, then please thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel for more like app videos. Talk soon.